I love my husband and I love spending time with him, and the children have all left, so it's just us, and I can't think of anything better than just spending an evening with him.
I think it's overrated, overhyped, just a gimmick for shops to make money, to be honest. I know it's nice to be nice, give presents and that, and show each other a kind of a commitment, but I think it's just more of a retail scam, to be honest.
It's Valentine's Day, so I've hit the streets to find out what plans people have and to figure out whether we're a city of cynics or a bunch of romantics at heart.
I have a 1-year-old baby, so my plans are to have dinner at home and pray to God that she goes to bed on time.
It is nice to always go out for dinner and stuff, but look, if it doesn't line up, then, you know what I mean, just as long as we're together, then it doesn't really matter what we're doing.
Would you call yourself a romantic?
Yes.
He's romantic.
It's out for judgment.
I think it's nice to mark something, you know.
I've had some good ones, some dinner dates, and yeah, that's about it.
It's going to be a bit of a home-cooked meal. We're just going to kind of keep it quiet this year. I'm generally of the opinion I'd rather do something once a week rather than save it for one day. But, you know, I'm going to enjoy the specialness, not necessarily buy into the consumerist end of things, but rather just, you know, spread out the love across the year.
It's too much of a rip-off. Dublin's an absolute shambles at the moment. Everything's a rip-off.
Even love?
Now you have me on that one now. Depends on the lady. If she deserves it or not, you know yourself, huh?
Probably having a nice meal with my husband. I think we all need a bit of romance and we all need to appreciate who we're with.
There's no need to go out on Valentine's anymore. It's just too busy everywhere. It's full of kids. Definitely gone like very commercial, but I still feel like it is important to celebrate, like, because it's just a day for you and your partner, like, to just show a little bit more extra appreciation. And like, it does mean a lot, even though you're like, oh no, I don't want anything. It's like, oh yeah, that's special.
Would you consider yourself a romantic?
There's a touch of romantic, but nowadays it's mostly grumpy old man.
I'm wondering if you have any plans.
Jesus, I break up with my wife, so
No.
no.
So what are your plans for Valentine's Day then?
Drink.
Will you be sending any Be My Valentines to anybody?
Just yourself, nobody else.
Charver.